It's an exciting day in the shack, guys. It's new smoker day. Drevos International contacted me and have sent me the classic 2.0 30 kilogram smokehouse. Shall we open her up and see what's inside, guys? I'm going to start nice and gently cutting the bubble wrap. What I would say is well packaged. What's underneath? I'm coming around and getting excited. It's like Christmas. Note to self, sharper knife. Can you see what I can see? They've even personalised it for me. Check that out, guys. It is super well packaged up, guys. Does that look, guys? I'm going to get rid of all this plastic wrap and then bring you in for a closer look. How good does this look, guys? Got me Big Les personalised name on my smoker. Got all the controls at the top, temperature control, beautiful ironmongery on it. Let's open up the door, see what's inside and get this thing built. Fully lined in stainless steel and all, guys. Come in and let's see what's inside. So now I've opened it up, you can see beautifully lined in stainless steel, super thick walls on it. What we've got inside, it's got some nice smoking shelves. We have the hanging rails. Be careful here, guys. We have the smoke generator, which we'll unwrap in a minute. Plenty of hooks for hanging that meat. And they've even sent a bag of beech smoking wood chips, so we can get straight on with smoking. Let me unwrap this smoke generator and let's install it on the side. So this, guys, this is the bit that makes this smoker super special. It's got a wood chip smoking chamber. It's got a cooling chamber before it injects the smoke into the smoker, and it's also got a tar collector at the bottom, so a glass that jar goes on to collect the tar and all the nasties that come off the smoke, the acrid taste. And look at the beautiful craftsmanship, guys. Got this great Drevos International lids that go on the top. It's got the cooling tube, which is going to remove the tar. And we take this, and this is going to go on the side of the smoker and fasten in down here. So I'll just get on and fasten this on, and then we'll insert, I'll get my words out right today, the compressor tube, which is going to make it all work. how good does this smoker look in its new home. First thing we've got to do before we think about cooking anything in this is we need to season it. So we're going to take all of our hanging racks and we're going to pop all these inside. There's 3 tiers of shelves, so there's one down here, there's one here, and there's a hanging rack at the top for doing the big cooks, which you'll see in my next video, somewhere up here. I'll get all these shelves in. I'm also going to hang all of the meat hooks on the tubes, and then we'll get on with the seasoning process. Time to season our smoker. So I'm going to take the chimney, I'm going to open the chimney up and turn the smoker on. We're going to take some wood chips and we're going to fill up that smoke generator. Come in and have a look what I'm on about. So we're going to take our dry wood chips. Dave's coming to have a little sniff. I'm going to pop off that beautiful lid and we're going to fill up that smoke generator chamber. I'm going to pop on that lid, and then you have 2 side holes. Take your lighter, I'm going to start a fire. Dave, get out of the way. In our smoking chamber. So with our power on, I'm going to turn on the smoke compressor. I'm going to set that to full power. We're then going to put on the heat. So before you put on the heat, guys, always turn on the convection fans first and then turn on the heating element. And then it recommends in the book to do it between 20 and 40 degrees Celsius. So we're going to set it at 40 degrees Celsius. So we're going to hit that set button. Down tap 40 degrees, pop set. That's now going to start bringing the internal chamber temperature up. You can see that's the set point. The chamber is currently 19 degrees inside. Bring that up to 40 degrees. I'm going to smoke this internal chamber for 2 hours, guys, and then I'll let you know what I think of the cooker. Let's just pop open the doors, guys. And there you have it. That smoke generator. Nicely filling that chamber with smoke. Got the convection fan running at the back. And one thing I forgot to mention, guys, and I'll show you later, there's a drying fan at the back. I've got that closed down. But let's let this smoke now for 2 hours. 2 hours in, guys. The smoking process, the seasoning of the internal chamber is now done. I thought I'd just have a play, so I've turned the temperature up to 80 degrees to see how quick it got there. It climbs really quickly, and because it's super thick, you know, you only have to look at these walls, guys. Look how thick the door is. Smoke myself, and look how thick the walls are. This time of year, it's cold outside, it's going to be super economical, and with the increased energy costs, even better. A super economical cooker. I'm liking it, guys. I'm going to shut this down now and I'm going to go through the cleanup process. But one other thing I want to show you, and it's down on the smoke generator, and I'm just going to open the jar up. Have a look at that, guys. That cooling tube has taken out that acrid smoke, that tarry, horrible taste that you would get with a, well, I think it's like a creosote flavour of smoke. This thing is going to give you clean, really fantastic smoky flavours. I'm going to put that to the test in my next video, guys. But so far I'm super impressed. It is only my first time firing it up, so it's too early to do a review. I'm going to do me cook this afternoon, then I'll do a review video, guys, and let you know how it goes. But it's super easy to use, super convenient. We'll shut it down and I'm going to get on with cleaning it up. One other thing, guys, which I didn't show you but I am going to show you in my next videos. It also has a drying fan, which is great for drying the surface of your meat, and I'll show you that in the next vid. But for now, I'm going to clock off, clean up the ash pan, and see you in my next video, guys, which hopefully is somewhere over here.